welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm in a different location. I decided to film in my mom's hair salon, and actually this is my area, like this is where I work, but I wanted to film it here just to switch it up, and I think I like it a little bit better, but let me know. For today's video I'm installing this unit from Asteria Hair. This is their 26-inch 13x4 HD lace curly wig, and it's so big. You guys can see. All I did was put water, and this is how it looks. I just did like a little half up moment. I didn't really film this part because it wasn't that, like, it took me kind of a while because it's a lot of hair. So I just wanted to put half of it up, but this is how it looks. I love the lace, melted perfectly, everything was great. So if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, then keep on watching. Using the Got to Be Glued, I'm just going to push my edges back to make sure they're not in the way of any glue. I always switch up what I use to lay down my wig caps, but for this time I went ahead and used the Got to Be Glued. It works just as good, and I wasn't planning on wearing the wig for a long time, even though I ended up wearing it for a long time, but this works just as good. But of course using like bolt hold glue is way better. After it all dried up, I just went ahead and cut the remaining wig cap off and then put my matching foundation shade to make everything melt. So I already bleached the knots off camera, but look at how thick this wig is. It was huge. I swear it's like as big as like 3 wigs, but it was super thick, and it fit really well, so I didn't have to really like cut too much or pull and tug. It fit my head pretty well.
After cleaning my skin off with some alcohol, I'm going in with the Bold Hold Active and doing about 3 to 4 layers, and just make sure that the glue dries in between each layer just to get the best effect. So after letting it melt for about 5 to 10 minutes, it looked so good, but still not done. I went ahead and just cut the lace with some eyebrow razors and scissors as well. So after I've sectioned off my baby hairs, I'm just plucking them before cutting them to make sure they look a bit more natural. So now I'm just curling my baby hairs upwards with my K&K flat iron that I got off Amazon, and I feel like curling them upwards does a better job than curling downwards, but you could use either or. And then I'm just laying them down with some argan mousse, and I sprayed a bit of my tint into the mousse just to also tint it at the same time, and I really like this technique. And I'm just going to lay this with my melting band for about another 10 minutes. looks so good after I took the melting band off, but all I'm doing now is just tweaking up my edges, so just plucking, cutting, and then laying it down one more time with some hairspray. Pretty much done, but I decided to go ahead and do like a claw clip hairstyle, and this is like the 3-part claw clip hairstyle, and I do show how I'm doing the frontal part, but if you want to see the full tutorial, I have it on my Instagram, and that's at _delizzle. And here's the final look. I love how this turned out. All the information about this hair and the link to this hair is in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!